In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cut out part of an image in Canva. We'll walk through this using Canva's Magic Eraser tool, which is a quick way to remove unwanted objects, backgrounds, or small details from your design. Follow along on your own screen as I go through each step. First, open your Canva design in the editor. This can be a new design or an existing project you're already working on. Once the editor loads, locate the image you want to edit on your canvas. Click directly on that image to select it. When it's selected, you'll see a toolbar appear across the top of the screen. On that toolbar, click on the option labeled Edit. After you click Edit, the image editing options will appear on the left-hand side of the screen. Here, look for the feature called Magic Eraser and click it. This is the tool we'll use to remove the part of the image you don't want. Now you'll see a few different ways to mark what you want to erase. Canva may offer options such as brush, click, foreground, or text. For this walkthrough, we're going to use the brush option because it gives you a lot of control over exactly which area you want to remove. Go ahead and select the brush tool. You'll also notice a control for adjusting the brush size. If you're working on a small or detailed area, choose a smaller brush size for more precision. If you're removing a larger section, you can increase the brush size to speed things up. With your brush size set, move your cursor over the image and start shading or painting over the part you want to cut out. Take your time here and try to stay within the edges of the object or area you're removing. You don't have to be absolutely perfect, but the more accurately you shade, the better the result will look. Once you've covered the entire area you want to remove, click the Erase button. Canva will process your changes and you may see the image briefly reload. Just wait a moment while the Magic Eraser applies your edit. When it's done, you'll see that the selected part of the image has been removed. If something doesn't look quite right, you can always undo the change and try again with a smaller brush or more careful shading. And that's all there is to it. That's how you cut out part of an image in Canva using Magic Eraser.